boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have CONOR MAYNARD here with a great song called If I Ever. So this one is very easy played. So we have three chords mainly. We will throw in a fourth chord. Otherwise it's the three chord that goes around and around with one simple strumming pattern. Let's start this one up. We don't need any cable for this one, so we'll go right into the chords and we will start with the F. That's a bar chord, so you place a bar here on the first fret, and we have the rest here on third A, third D, and second G. And the bar crosses all strings there. Alright, so that's the F. The next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And we have then the G chord. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. These three chords are the main chords. It goes in that order: F, A minor, and G. And then we have the last chord here, the final C. So we'll use that in a bridge part later on. It's third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so let's start this one up. We'll have to learn the strumming pattern. So we'll start with the F, so grab that chord. And then one strumming around will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That's one round. So down, up, clap, up. A couple of rounds of the strumming. Alright, so with that strumming we have F, 4 strumming rounds, A minor 2 rounds, and G 2 rounds. So that is basically 95% of the song. So F4, A minor 2, G2, let's hit that for a couple of rounds. 2, 3, 4, A minor 2, G 2, F 2, 3, 4, A minor, and G. Alright, so that's how you play the song. Then the bridge comes in at about 2 minutes and 15 seconds into the song. Won't Let You Break My Heart Again, that's where we are in the lyrics. Now we'll play one down per chord. To start with, we have the F, A minor, and G. And as soon as you play G here, you will start to play 2 strumming rounds right after. So it goes like this: F, A, G, 1, 2. Right? And the next round here will be F, and then comes the C here, okay? So instead of A minor, you play C on the second round. And you finish off with G, 1 down, plus these 2 extra strumming rounds. So if you consider this as one chord progression round, the F, A minor, G, 2 strumming rounds, F, C, G, 2 strumming rounds, that is one round of this chord progression. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and that will be your bridge part, okay? So one round of it will sound like this. 2 rounds of that, and that is your bridge part. And then you just continue with the main thing here: F4, A minor 2, and G2 for strumming till the very end. And that pretty much covers Maynard's If I Ever. So good luck with this easy and great song. So hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.